Mama Play.
Hey everybody, it's Mama Play. I received an urgent call from Doc McStuffins to come down to her clinic to help her. Let's see what she needs. Hey Mama Play! Thank you for coming so quickly. All of my favorite toys have come down with stuck-in-playdoh-itis, and I need your help to get them out. Don't worry, Doc. I can help you. Let's get started. Our first play-doh-itis patient who needs to be rescued. Let's see who's in here. Do you recognize that face? It's Bronte! Thank you for saving me, Doc. Let's see who we can save next. Who could be in this pink Play-Doh? Who's that? It's Lammy!
Oh, goodness. Thank you for saving me. I really need a cuddle.
Okay, Lammy, why don't you go sit with your friends while we cure the rest of the patients? So we have saved Bronte and Lammy so far. Who else could be in these Play-Doh eggs? Let's find out. Purple Play-Doh. Do we know any of Doc's friends who are purple? Oh, look! It's Callie! Thank you for getting me out of this Play-Doh. We better write play-doh-itis in the big book of boo-boos. Okay, so we have saved Bronte, Lammy, and Callie. Let's see who's still stuck in the Play-Doh. Blue. Can we think of any of Doc's friends who are blue? Do you recognize that face? It's Stuffy! Just 2 eggs left, 1 yellow and 1 red. Let's see who's in the red one first. I'm not sure who this could be. Do you guys know who this is? It's Professor Hootsburg! She's going to need a bath. She has all this Play-Doh stuck in her feathers. We are finally down to the last Play-Doh egg. Let's open it up and find out who it is. Oh, look, it's Teddy. Well, Doc, we've cured everybody of stuck-in-playdoh-itis. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to have all of my friends back again. This is definitely going in the big book of boo-boos. Well, everybody, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.